Alright guys, that's my blended coconut, so I'm gonna go ahead and have it strained. So guys, you're gonna see it when I have it strained. Alright, that's my coconut milk. I already have it strained. So guys, I'm gonna get it going with my chicken back. Guys, I did go ahead start having my chicken back seasoned. And then after this guys, I'm gonna let it marinate for a good 20 minutes. Because remember, we dealing with a lot of bones. And tonight is an easy Tuesday. Budget friendly meal. Alright guys, so stay tuned. Guys, I'm gonna have this set removed. As you can see, I got them where I need them. And then I'm gonna get the next set in guys, so stay tuned. Alright guys, as you see, my natural season is being cooked to perfection. So now guys, I'm gonna go ahead and add a teaspoon of the jerk sauce, the mild one. Alright guys, I already have my rice washed. And guys, please do remember to like, share and subscribe and leave a comment guys. Click that notification bell, so each time I do a video guys, you guys could get the notification. Alright guys, stay tuned while I have it mixed. Alright guys, as you see, we have the perfect completion of this dish, and it was being suggested by Miriam Montague Scott. I want to give a shout out to Miriam Montague Scott for this epic meal. One pot coconut chicken back rice guys, so you know. And guys, I'm gonna go ahead and start having it plated so we could do that taste test. As you see guys, the rice is not soft, it's shelly. Not shelly as in the female, but it is shelly. Getting it plated guys. Guys, you could use